You are watching noglocal.com.
The snow, it has come. There's so much snow, I'm going to need 3 shovels to begin. Just kidding. So, as you can see, New York has been hit with the snow, and now it's time to go to work, shoveling. So, let's get started. This is more work than the gym, man. We're about halfway there. I tell you, this is more work than the gym. A lot of work. After a while, my hands and feet get frozen. We'll take a break and we'll come back. Now I gotta take care of the car and clean the car area. Okay, so the car's warming up. Let's take care of this section now. Now we got the garage section to finish up. There's a lot of snow. Gotta take a break. Hands are frozen.